Good morning, children. Welcome to Bharat Mata Google Classroom. In the last session, we learned about the different models of atom and we learned several postulates in Bohr's model of atom. Then we learned about atomic number, mass number, about the representation of an element. Now coming to electronic configuration of an atom. So what is electronic configuration? So we said that the electrons are present in the orbits or shells. So how are we going to arrange the electrons in the orbits? Yes, so it follows several rules. Okay, so first let us see what is electronic configuration. So electronic configuration is the distribution of electrons into different orbits of an atom. So we know that there are different orbits or shells in an atom. So the distribution of electrons into various orbits of an atom is called the electronic configuration of an atom. And we cannot include as much electrons into a particular orbit. That is, we cannot include as much electrons as we like into one particular orbit or shell. Yes, each shell has a particular capacity to accommodate the electrons. For example, if you enter a bus, so you can find that the first seat in the bus is one-seated. So it can accommodate only one person. But again, you can see further, you can see that on one side it has two-seater capacity and on the right side it has three-seater capacity. So two persons can be accommodated in the two-seater capacity chair and three person can accommodated in the three-seater capacity chair. And if you go to the last, you can find a single seat which can accommodate over 7 persons. Is it not? So each seat has a particular capacity. Similarly, if you take an atom, each orbit has a particular capacity to accommodate the electrons. So, and as we go higher and higher, what happens is as we go far away from the nucleus, the energy also increases. So, the electron distribution over various energy levels is governed by some principles. So let us see what is that. Coming to the first principle, it is the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a given shell or energy level is given by 2n square. Yes, where n is the shell number. For example, if you take K shell, the shell number is 1. Okay, so shell number is 1. So number of electrons that can be accommodated in K shell is given by the formula 2n square. So what is n? n is 1. So 2 into 1 square, so 2. So the number of electrons that can be accommodated in K shell is 2. Coming to L shell, it can accommodate how many electrons? If we take L shell, now n, that is the shell number is 2. So if it is L shell, it can accommodate 2 into n square. So n is 2 here. So 2 into 2 square, so that is equal to 8. So it can accommodate 8 electrons. Is it clear?